So today we are going to talk about 3 things that you need to do in order to prepare for 2023. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deborah Musa, and for today's video we are going to talk about how to prepare for 2023. We are going to discuss how we can level up, what is it that we can do to set ourselves up for success in 2023, how we can glow up, how we can level up. So make sure that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel and you like this video, and you just also save it for later. You can go back and just refresh your mind on everything that we are going to discuss for today in this video. Let me know in the comments down below what is it that you have done differently in 2022 that you will want to continue to do it. I'm really interested. I want to learn also from you guys. What is it that you do? What is it that you did that has helped you to achieve your goals? I'm going to give you an example of what I did last year that has helped me to achieve my goal. One of my goals was to be more active. So what I did, instead of focusing on losing a certain amount of weight or focusing on going to the gym, my goal was just to walk for 20 minutes every single day. That was it. When it comes to fitness, my goal was just to walk 20 minutes every single day. And I found out by putting that type of goal, it really helped me, because for me that was achievable. I was like, oh, just a walk for 20 minutes, oh, that's easy, I can do that. And I'll just end up walking for 45 minutes or doing a light jog for 45 minutes, and that was super helpful. I even achieved more than what I had set myself up to do. So the first thing that we are going to do is to set specific goals, is to set achievable goals for ourselves. Whatever it is that you want to do, whatever in your career, your personal life, your social media life, whatever it is we want to set it up, we want to write it down, but it has to be specific, it has to be manageable, it has to be achievable. So how we are going to do that is by creating a vision board. There are tons of videos on YouTube on how to create a vision board. For me personally, a vision board did not quite work as I wanted it to do, but instead what I do is to write down everything that I want to do on a notebook. So I write everything that I want to do on a notebook, and I also write the same thing that I want to do on an app on my phone. It's called Keep Note. I'll put it right here. It helps a lot to have the same information everywhere on my notebook, on my phone, on my laptop. So everywhere I want to have access to this information, I can have access to it no matter where I'm at. So that is what we want to do. That's why people create vision boards, because they can see their goals, they can see them on their phone, on their laptop, or it's there posted, it's right there on their face, they cannot miss it. Step number 2 is to make a plan to achieve your goals. So we're going to make a plan to achieve your goals. We're going to break down the goals that we wrote on our notebook, on the vision board. Now this is where things get to be a little bit more in details. This is where we are going to create task timelines, small goals, where we can put them on a daily basis. So basically what I did was to create a table and take all of the goals and the plans that I have made, that I wrote down on the first step, now on the second step, to break them down more into details. For example, I want to be more active, I want to eat more healthy. The plan is to walk for 45 minutes or run for 45 minutes every single day. I did that last year. It was quite achievable. It was easy. I managed to squeeze time throughout the day in order to achieve this. And eating healthy, the simplest thing I'm going to do for myself is just to add 50% of veggies on my plate. So I have a full plate of food, 50% of it has to be veggies, 20% protein, 20% carbs, and then the other 10% can be like other stuff like sauce or whatever. But 50%, it is my goal to eat veggies so I can be more healthy. So that's just an example of how I am going to achieve that goal of being active and of eating healthy. It doesn't matter how you decide to break down your goals. What matters is that you have broke down your goals and you have an action plan on how you're going to achieve your goals every single day. The resources that you can use Google Calendar. I use Richard app. I just downloaded it and I write down everything that I want to do every single day. I'm going to show you how the app looks so you can download it. It's free. There's also a paid version, a premium version. You can use a daily planner, which is super helpful. I use a weekly planner and a daily planner. If you guys are interested, I have created daily planner journals. They are on my Amazon. I'll link the link below where you can get them. I have like a bunch of journals and notebooks, weekly planners, monthly planners, daily planners. They're not like specific to 2023. Another app that I did mention before is Keep Notes. Super helpful. I have access on it on my phone. I have access on it on my laptop. Just make sure that you are logged in on the right account. And when I open this Keep Notes, I have all of my information. So no matter where I'm at, I am able to go back to my notes and just remember what is it I wrote down, what is it that I have to do. Number 3 is to take action. This year, what we are going to do is to take action. It does not matter how much time we have spent planning, breaking down our goals into smaller steps. If we don't take action towards them, the most important thing is to take action. I understand that action can be a little bit hard to do, can be difficult to do sometimes. So what I'm going to advise you to do is to use this technique called Pomodoro Technique. So basically, in a short and simple explanation, it's just a technique to help you manage your time and to manage your work efficiently in a more focused way. Basically, what you want to do is to set a timer for 25 minutes and then you do the work that you need to do in that 25 minutes. You do that, you focus only on that task. And then once that 25 minutes timer goes off, you take a break for 5 minutes. If you are done with that task, then you can move on to another task. So once you are done with 2 or 4 tasks, you can now take a longer break of 20 minutes to 30 minutes. It's a very helpful thing to do. I have done something like that last year in 2022 and it was super helpful. Of course, I did it in a different way, but this year I definitely want to implement this because it's easy to get distracted when you want to focus on your work, when you want to focus on a specific task. So if you set out a timer, block out everything else and do that task for only 25 minutes, you're good to go. You will be surprised at how much work you can get done in just 25 minutes. I promise you guys, it works. One other thing that I want to give you, resource that I want to give you guys, is to read this book, Atomic Habits by James Clear. It's just a great book that is just going to help you to achieve your goals, to develop habits that you can be proud of, habits that will enable you to achieve your goals. I've had so many good reviews on it. I haven't finished the book yet, but what I've read so far, I have implemented it. So that is everything that we have discussed today. To write down clear and achievable goals, to break them down into more manageable tasks, and to take action. Small action of 25 minutes every single day will get you far into achieving your goals.